What's up, everyone, and welcome to Home Squad's YouTube channel. My name is Rob Stack. Today we are going to be touring one of Toll Brothers' most popular models, the Orman. Let's check it out. So West Haven at Ovation is located in the southwest corner of Winter Garden. As a matter of fact, there are several builders here, as it's one of Winter Garden's last areas to be developed. So it's a pretty unique location, as we are just a few minutes from Davenport, the Four Corners area, Celebration, even Disney isn't too far away. In terms of the roads, we're very close to 192, US Highway 27, and the 429. Literally in one spot, we are just minutes from 3 different counties. Toll Brothers is a pretty well-established builder here in town. They're mostly known for their mid to large-size luxury homes. As a matter of fact, some of their homes are showcased in some of the most prestigious neighborhoods and towns here in Orlando. Personally, they're one of my favorite builders in town. Their floor plans are extremely versatile and can accommodate several different family types. They've got premium standard features, and they've got several wow factors built into the design of the home. I'm talking 2-story foyers, 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings, and more. Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got one of the sales associates here, and his name is George Weiss. He's one of the top sales associates here at Toll Brothers.
What we do different at Toll Brothers is we give people the opportunity to build their own home. Come into the community, you're able to pick out your own floor plan, pick out your home site and your options, as well as customize a swimming pool for yourself.
Can you talk to me a little bit about the energy efficient features that you guys offer?
We have double pane windows, low E windows. We actually use a system called a zip system. Okay. So on the second floor where you have wood frame, the zip system attaches to the plywood, and when you paint in stucco, it creates a barrier so it doesn't peel or crack. Ahead of time, before someone comes in, they can actually go to our website, they pick the collection that they're interested in, and we have a personal touch where you can design your own home. So you can flip the floor plan, you can add the different structural upgrades that we have in the plan, you can add furniture.
Wow, so you can really customize it and really like map out the floor plan.
Yes, yes, and we have 3D opportunities for people to look at the brand new homes that we're offering.
They have one of the most extensive websites, and this is a big difference from some other builders that I see in town. So a lot of times people can come in and be like, this is the home I want, and you kind of go from there.
Exactly.
That's awesome. George, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
Sure, it was a pleasure.
Yeah. Okay, so here we are inside, and as you can see, we're opening up to this massive 2-story foyer. And this is one of the features that I love about Toll Brothers, and this is what they do. They create these wow factors in the architectural design of the home. So you come in and you feel this like expansive home, this 2-story feel. We've got a nice chandelier. They've done some premium architectural features here. I'm sure most of these home builders work with a design company, and they help them design the houses. They do these like cool little architectural features on the wall. They have nice decorations, grand mirrors, beautiful furniture. The design process is a nice little feature. It allows you to really customize your home, and you can do a lot in the design room. You can go crazy and spend tons of money in the design room. And one thing I love about Toll Brothers is they really do give you an abundance of options, and their options are really nice premium options. One thing I know and love about Toll Brothers is they have a really good access to really good supplies. So this is the Jack and Jill bath. Meet me on the other side. So we're noticing this a lot more in these new construction homes as we're doing Jack and Jill again. So we'll have 2 rooms connected by a bathroom. This one's got double sinks here, nice upgraded shower here, premium fixtures as well. But we're noticing this more and more. It's great for younger kids. That way they both have the room and then both have access to a bathroom to get ready in the morning. Oftentimes for the model homes, they like to put in a pool so that you can visualize whether or not this floor plan and this home site can accommodate a pool of this size, and just to give you a visual example of what it would look like. One thing that we definitely need here in Florida, and one thing I encourage all my clients to get, is a extended covered lanai. It's huge here in Florida, especially if you like outdoor dining, and having a nice extended lanai is a great place just so you can be outside but not be in the direct sunlight. All right, that wraps up our tour of the Orman model home. And don't forget, they've got 6 available available single-family homes in this neighborhood, so make sure you head on over to their website to check those out. Now, if you have any questions at all, or you're interested in purchasing this house, go ahead, leave a comment below, or you can message us directly. Hey, thanks so much for watching. My name is Rob Stack. I'm with the Orlando Home Squad, brokered by Sirhan, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, we are an expert team of realtors here in Central Florida, and we would love to be your go-to source for all things real estate. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all things Orlando.